This is done show how to export Obsidian to PDF. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Obsidian tutorials. So open the Obsidian app on the desktop and log into your account. Select the document file that you want to export. For example, properties of info. I'm gonna select this one and access the file. You can edit any notes here, but notes to this file. So you can get here, guys. Come down, just click on the three dots here on more options, and you'll find the option to export to PDF. Click on it. So you can check to include file name as title, and make sure to check this. So the page size is letter. For example, you can select A4, A3 type format. You can choose to add landscape to this PDF file. It will read both horizontally and vertically, but you're gonna set this off. Margin by default, and downscale percent is 100%, and click on export to PDF. Select where you want to save your file. Here, for example, download, so click on save, and there it is, guys. Our file has been exported successfully to PDF with Obsidian. Well, that's it, guys. Your work is done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe.